a 1969 Coleman 252 mil-spec lantern. It's loud and it roars, but it is fun. Real fun. Yes, indeed. Woo! And when it starts glowing, it's going to get loud. But hey, I'll be able to see to use my Lodge Sportsman's grill right there. There it goes. It's going now. Oh yeah, and you turn it all the way up like this. It's not too loud right now. There we go. Let's cook some pork chops. Well, hey, you're watching Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do, and you can hear the roar of that lantern. Oh yeah, those old military lanterns, they're pretty bright for one man a lantern, but they roar. They are a lot of fun. Anyway, what else is fun is the Lodge Sportsman's Grill, and I've got some pork chops I'm gonna throw on here, all right? And I've got the Uncle Glens blend sent to me by a subscriber. I do appreciate having the Uncle Glens blend. I've used it on a whole chicken. I've used it on chicken breasts and chicken strips before. Did a review with it. Smoked a chicken last week with it too, in a Thermodot review. And I'm gonna try it on pork chops. I know it's gonna be good. It's so good, I'm gonna use it up till it's gone. All right, so let's get these pork chops on here. Stick around to the end. I got a little surprise thing we're gonna cook on there too. All right, it said loin chops, but that one's got a center bone in it. I'm worried it might be a pork steak. I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and cook there and cook here and get them sizzling. Now I did brush these down with pecan oil before putting on the Uncle Glens blend, but you can see I coated them pretty well with that. I love this Uncle Glens blend stuff, and I'm gonna use it till it's gone. Yep, this is the nice life. Now what's flaring up under there is those Mesquite wood chips, all right? I didn't soak them or anything, not trying to smoke anything here, just trying to grill some pork chops. So it's briquette charcoal with Mesquite wood chips. Yep, just sitting out here, got the lantern going, enjoying the nice life with the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. Love this thing. One thing I like about this grill is the ability to cook with real wood over flame. So it's time to turn these. Oh, yeah. Look, y'all. It's gonna be wonderful. Woo! Yeah, I really enjoy the ability to cook over a wood fire. You know, it's a charcoal grill, but you can throw some wood in there and get your pork chop steaks, burgers, flame kissed if you like them that way. I really want these done that way. Let me show you this Uncle Glens blend. If you haven't seen what it looks like that right there. Says Con Jaeger Spice Company, and it's out of Pennsylvania, and I do appreciate having it. All right, time to tip them, and if they're not ready, I'm flipping them. So 145 right there. Go too deep is 172. Yeah, I'm gonna flip them, and then we're gonna pull them off of here, because down deep, yeah, they're way done. So anyway, I'm gonna flip them over, let them go just a little bit longer, and get them off of here. Woo! I wonder why that one, did that stick? I guess it stuck. It didn't really get a good crust right there. Anyway, that one's looking good. I think that one may be a pork steak, but said pork chops on the package. So I got that charred one off of there. You can see that this one is not done yet. But I had more wood on that side of the grill. What I got now is that surprise I told you about. These are that imitation crab. Some people call it a kosher crab. That's what my stepdad called it. I don't know if that's an appropriate term. Anyway, it's, you know, a white fish, usually from Alaska or something. And they make this imitation crab meat out of it. They make it in the sticks. Put butter on it and lemon, garlic, pepper, and we're just gonna toast these up real quick on the grill. Just as a snack. Had those in the fridge, had the grill going, so we decided to do it. All right, I flipped the loin chop and I just temped it out. It's 155 at the lowest place and in the 160s most other places. But right there in the middle, it's 155. So time to pull it off of here. I like the pork well done. Of course, that charred one, that'll be mine. And of course, it is well done. But hey, fun to cook on the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. All right, standing in front of that lantern. Got that piece. I think this was a pork steak, but it was labeled as pork chop with that loin chop. Oh, it's so good. Kissed with those mesquite wood flames. And that Uncle Glens blend. All right, let's try that crab stick. This thing is still hot. These are delicious like that. Just butter and your favorite lemon garlic pepper blend. I did use Dr.Dor's, but anyway, whatever you like. That's all this for these grilled crab sticks. Also good wrapped in bacon too. Also baked some sweet potatoes in my Cajun Classic oval roaster. Yeah, if you do sweet potatoes in the Dutch oven, in the oven, they come out great.